Gareth, here we are at the start of another World Cup qualifying campaign, and it's a massive game on Friday, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a massive game. I think it's important for us to get off to a good start in the group and kind of give us that momentum going into the whole campaign and give us that boost that we need.
Do you see it as a very open group where, you know, all the countries are capable of picking points off each other?
Yeah, I think it's one of them groups where there's no massive one big country like your Germany's, your France's, Spain. So yeah, I think it's obviously a difficult group. Everybody can beat everyone, but the most important thing for us is to get our home wins, and then whatever we get away from home is an added bonus.
I think since you've been in the Welsh squad, many of you, it's always seemed to be playing catch up in the group, isn't it? I suppose that's one thing we don't really want this time around.
No, exactly. That's been the case in the past, and yeah, this time we want to get off to a good start. So we know it's not going to be easy whatsoever. I think Belgium, all of a sudden, have just found like an unbelievable team. So yeah, we know it's going to be very difficult, but we're prepared ourselves, and we'll try our best to get the 3 points and get off to a good start.
I know I said three questions, just one last question. In terms of the two games that are coming up, it's a massive month, isn't it? 4 games. But what would you see as the ideal scenario at the end of the 4 between Belgium, Serbia, Croatia and Scotland, those 4 matches? Where would you like to see us be?
I think we definitely need to pick up at least 2 wins. I think as I said, the most important thing for us is to win our home games, and what you get from away from home is an added bonus. So yeah, the main thing for us is to win our home games, and we'll obviously still be trying to win away from home, but yeah, our bread and butter is at home, and yeah, we'll be trying everything to get the 3 points when we are at home.